Hello and welcome to Adventures in English. This is Professor Fox, and today we will start at the beginning and go over the English alphabet. I hope you enjoy this video, and please do not forget to subscribe to become a part of our community. The English alphabet. Repeat after me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to keep up to date with future videos on Adventures in English.